Hey there, it's Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And today we're making crazy, sexy kale chips. Kale chips with a twist. Hey, these, if you don't like kale, you're gonna love these because they taste like, a little like, if you stretch it, Doritos. Are you ready? So we take some cashews. I've been soaking these cashews overnight, and I'm just gonna put all the ingredients in my high-speed blender. So here we go. The cashews go in, and then I'm going to put in a little pepper, not too much, and a 1/4 cup of onion powder. Now the onion powder makes these taste so good. It seems like a lot, but don't skimp because they won't be as good. And then we put in, this is the onion powder, got it? We're gonna put in a lot of salt. These need salt. And if they don't have enough salt, you can put more in at the end because the salt makes them so amazing. So then you put in 3 garlic cloves. Just plop those in. We're gonna put in some curry powder. Now, the original recipe did not call for curry powder, but it gives it that little zip that I like, and they start tasting like Doritos. So just about a teaspoon of the curry powder, and then I love to put in some nutritional yeast. Look at that. It looks like fish food, it does, but it tastes like cheese. So this gives it that nice cheesy flavor. Put another, about a 1/4 cup in, and then we're gonna add some water, and we're just going to blend this. So I'm gonna blend, here we go. And that's it. So I blended this in my high-speed blender. It's just got this nice creamy consistency. I actually blended it for about 3 minutes, and I'm pouring it over my kale. I have 3 cups of kale, actually a little bit more, because I love to make a lot. So I'm going to pull this out of here, and then I love to get my hands a little gooey. And I'll show you what I'm going to do. I just take my hands and I start ooh, this is nice and warm. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. It almost reminds me of I Love Lucy. Do you remember I Love Lucy? And when they were crushing the grapes? Yeah, it reminds me a little bit of that. But this is so nutritious, so delicious. And all you do is you put it out on a parchment lined pan. Now, you can dehydrate this, but you know, dehydrators are kind of a pain, and they can be just one more appliance for your kitchen. So I don't dehydrate this. I just cook this in my oven at about 250 degrees for about 2 hours. And these get crispy, they turn into chips, and they are really, really good and so much healthier for you than a Dorito. That's it. This is all part of my Vibrant Veggie series. And if you're not already a member or one of my Vibrant Veggie lovers, hey, just click on over to my website. You don't even have to have gooey hands. Click on over to my website and join me for Vibrant Veggies, where we learn to make a plethora of so many yummy vegetables, and we learn some breathing techniques to really get you healthy and well. I'd love to see you there. Thank you so much. This is Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. Bye-bye.